Welcome to this tutorial on how to read Best Places neighborhood rankings. Best Places is a website that provides detailed information about neighborhoods across the United States, helping individuals make informed decisions when choosing a place to live. To get started, navigate to the Best Places website and enter the city or zip code of the area you are interested in. Once you have selected the location, you will be presented with a list of neighborhoods in that area, each with its own ranking. The neighborhood rankings are based on a variety of factors, including cost of living, education, housing, and crime rates. Each neighborhood is given a score out of 100, with higher scores indicating more desirable neighborhoods. When reviewing the rankings, pay attention to the categories that are most important to you. For example, if you have children, you may want to prioritize neighborhoods with high rankings in the education category. In addition to the overall ranking, Best Places also provides detailed information about each neighborhood, including demographics, housing prices, and local amenities. This information can be found by clicking on the neighborhood name, which will take you to a detailed profile page. To get the most out of the Best Places neighborhood rankings, it is essential to consider your individual priorities and needs. Make a list of the factors that are most important to you, and use the rankings to compare neighborhoods based on those criteria. By following these steps and using the Best Places neighborhood rankings as a guide, you can make an informed decision when choosing a neighborhood to call home. Remember to carefully evaluate the information provided and consider multiple sources before making a decision. Best Places is a valuable resource for anyone looking for detailed information about neighborhoods. And by understanding how to read and interpret the rankings, you can find the best neighborhood for your needs and lifestyle.